Hello, my name is Shayna Zabo, and I'm a librarian with LA County Library. You are invited to join our 2021 Spring and Summer Discovery Program running until August 8th. Stick around until the end of this video for directions on how to sign up and how to pick up a free Summer Discovery Take-Home Activity Kit that goes along with this video. This week's program is in honor of National Summer Learning Week, which is a nationwide celebration dedicated to keeping kids learning safe and healthy every summer and ensuring they are ready to succeed when they return to school. Now let me show you how to use our Find, Color, and Count kit for ages 0 to 5. Help your child follow these instructions for an early literacy word match game. You will say a word and your child will find the matching picture on the bookmark. This activity reinforces vocabulary words, basic math skills, and develops fine motor skills, which is the ability to use the small muscles in our hands and wrists to make movements. Let's take a closer look at stars. Remember to ask questions like these to guide your child through this activity. How many stars are on the bookmark? They can be any size. Count the stars out loud. Color the stars in yellow. Let's take a closer look at circles. How many circles are on the bookmark? They can be any size. Count the circles out loud. Color the circles in green. Let's take a closer look at clothes. What items in the picture can a person wear? Point on yourself where you would wear a hat, glove, shoe, or necklace. Color the clothes in. Don't forget to use both sides of the paper. Flip over to the back of bookmark. Use the back of the bookmark for freestyle coloring. Maybe your child can even make their own circles or stars. Want some books that go well with this kit? Check out our catalog at lacountylibrary.org for digital and physical books like these. Kits like this one can be picked up at your local LA County Library location while supplies last. Visit our website to find a library near you. You can pick up paper versions of the Spring Summer Discovery Program or check out our website to sign up digitally. Click the link in the description box for upcoming programs and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for easy access to new videos. Bye for now.